Okay, this is an educational video on our 2 speed gear kits. At Recreational Motorsports, we like to sell products at work. And for us to be able to do that for you, we need to get you the right product for the conditions that you're riding in. 2 years ago, we designed a speed gear kit. We call this our speed gear kit. It takes your standard 200 that has a 295 gear ratio and approximately 30 mile an hour to a 232 gear ratio using the stock belt that comes in the case. You just pull the sprockets out, put the new ones in, and put the stock belt on. This increases your speed by about 5 to 7 mile an hour. It's a good kit for all around the yard. Some minor clutch tuning brings it to life, and good and durable and fun to ride. Last year, we developed this kit. This is our ultimate speed gear kit. It also comes with a belt that's laying below because the sprockets are so small. This gear kit increases your gear ratio from a 295 stock to a 195 gear ratio. This kit does not work, I repeat, does not work for normal trail riding or snowcross or short drag races. It takes way too long and way too much power for this gear kit to get your sled up to speed. It's designed for, there's races they have like in Alaska where they run a 35-mile race. It takes a good half mile to 3/4 of a mile to get this thing up to full speed. So it is not a good usable kit for a 1,000-foot drag race or a 500-foot drag race or a snowmobile. This is designed for long distances. So if you have a stock snowmobile and you want to increase the speed but still have some good rideability, then you go with our speed gear kit. If you have long distances, lakes that you're going to ride across 4 or 5 miles long wide open, and you're not at all worried about driving on the trails to the cabin or putting around with any kind of performance, then our ultimate gear kit works. But I stress, this is not designed for short riding. So there is the difference between the 2 kits. Hopefully you'll watch the video here when you look at the sprockets. And like always, if you have any questions, feel free to call our tech line or drop us an email. I always return my calls and I always return my emails. Sometimes it just takes me a while. Thank you and have a good one.